Introducing Actiflu Syrup, your trusted partner in fighting cold and flu symptoms. Whether you're dealing with cough, sneezing, or a runny nose, Actiflu Syrup provides fast and effective relief. Formulated with a blend of powerful ingredients, Actiflu works to soothe your throat, ease congestion, and reduce fever. Feel better, faster, and get back to the things you love with Actiflu Syrup. Available at your local pharmacy. Always read the label and use as directed. Actiflu, relief you can trust. For cold and flu relief, ask for Actiflu Syrup.